Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Li. Today we're gonna be making the cranberry cheesecake. Yes, you heard me, the cheesecakes. Yeah, right, I always purchase cheesecakes until I found out this recipe. It's a lifesaver. And this recipe is super easy and can also keep all the textures and flavors of all other cheesecakes. And it's super simple. We only need 6 ingredients: the cream cheese, sugar, dried cranberry, yogurt, egg, and the cornstarch. And as usual, I will put all the ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions. And if you like to follow along at home, then you have all of this. Now let's make our cheesecakes. I'll just use my baking bowl to mix everything. So first, I'm gonna use it to microwave heat the cream cheese, 5 ounces cream cheese. This is 5 ounces and we only microwave for 10 seconds. Even the cream cheese is still in the solid shape, but it starts to melt, and we use our spatula to melt it. Okay, and now add a 1/4 cup of yogurt and then combine them all together. Until they are well mixed and the mixture is silky. Then we're gonna add the 3 tablespoons of sugar. Continue to combine them together. We'll see there is no sugar and it's already dissolved. Now we invite this egg to the party. You want to beat the egg so that our mixture can get smoother. Looks good. This is very smooth. Now sift 1 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then continue to combine them. Until you don't see any of the dried cornstarch. That means our batter, our mixture is ready. We are gonna drop several dried cranberries into this mixture. You can replace the dried cranberries to your favorite fruit. Now it's good to go to the oven. Now we will bake it off at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Let it cool down to the room temperature. I put the cheesecake in the fridge for more than a couple of hours to get better taste. Now let's give it a try. It's so cheesecake. It's creamy, buttery. Oh, it's so delicious. It's so cheesecake. Wow. It's so creamy. You'll have to try this. It's so good. With the yogurt as a substitution, the calorie and the carbs reduce a bit, but the texture and the flavor remain the same. It's so great. You have to try this. And if you like this video and like my recipe, please give me a thumbs up and also comment down below. And please subscribe me for more. Happy holidays and see you real soon. Bye.